Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming. NET SDK and Visual Studio Code are installed. This is non-negotiable. Once done, install the CHash extension, OmniSharp, and optionally the CHash dev kit to get IntelliSense and debugging support. Next, open a terminal and run .NET New Console on my app, then open that folder in VSCode. Make sure to trust the workspace when prompted so extensions run. These actions get you into an editable, debuggable CHash project immediately. You now configure the editor and run the program. Once the project is loaded, inspect program. CS and the CSproj to confirm target framework. If VSCode prompts, create a launch. JSON to enable debugging, choose NET Core Launch Profile. Run .NET Restore to fetch packages, then .NET Build to compile. Use the Run and Debug panel or press F5 to start debugging. Set breakpoints in code to step through and watch variables. Make sure IntelliSense suggests types and quick fixes. You finish by running tests with .NET Test and adding helpful extensions for refactoring and code analysis. Commit your source and use. Git ignore to skip bin and obj folders. Once done, publish with .NET Publish when ready for deployment. If things go wrong, first restart OmniSharp from the command palette. If it still fails to load projects, set OmniSharp. Use Modern Net, True or toggle MS build settings in user settings and restart VS Code. That single troubleshooting step resolves most projects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.